What is up, everyone? My name is Mike from M.A.D Gaming, and welcome to Crowtell. Right, now look at the name. What do you think it means? Crowtell. Crowtell. It's a hotel run by a crow. That is the premise of the game. This is actually a pay what you want game. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. This is pay what you want. These type of games, you pay a small amount to the developer if you enjoy it. Now I'm going to check it out and we're going to have a quick look. So we're going to go new game. I mean, I've not looked into this game. It just looked mad. And so I just downloaded it straight away. I didn't even bother to look at the screenshots or anything. I just downloaded it. Man, it's a hotel run by a crow. You can't... Hey, bird brain! We are youth of the nation. Oh. The health inspector cats! Oh my. I was thinking more, oh shit. There's bird crap everywhere. I've not bothered to tidy up. I've been nesting in the room over there somewhere. You know, the chicks are running around everywhere. There's worms everywhere. I've got to feed the kids, sick it up to them. Anyway, oh my, well, please come and have a seat while I get ready. This music's funky. What accent did I give the cat? I can't remember. I'll just make it up. Hurry up, will ya? I'll just default to Cockney. Oh man, this place is a mess. I'll never get it clean in time. Right. Pew pew. Oh, right. Okay, so I can't go through the door. Oh shit, there's a bug and I just lost a heart. Well, balls. There's poison dripping from your pipes. Do you know what? I don't think this place is worth saving. This is a health and safety hazard, is what this is. Can I jump on you? No, this isn't Mario. I've already lost 2 hearts. I'm at half health already. Please sign. Crow. Or... Right, that's a save point. And I can go through this door. Oh, yes. So, by the looks of this, this is actually a side-scrolling platformer. Someone got my toilet. It wasn't me. Oh, someone has left an almighty turd in the bowl. And even the biggest plunger we have in the hotel will not clean it. We need Domestos. No, there's other bleaches on the market. We need... Jeez, burn it with fire. I'll use my song powers. No, I just broke it. Well, balls. Well, it looks clean. Just... is that better? Someone clogged my toilet. It wasn't me. Yeah, you've said that already, mate. Right. I'm just firing off me load everywhere. Yeah, I've read that. Ah, I see. Balls. Literally spiky balls. I hate underwater levels. Gets my Narm flashbacks. You're right there, buddy. I know you're going to attack me. There we go, I got you before you even got near me. Sucks to be you. Oh! Poison. Balls. Actually, these stairs remind me of Michael Jackson's Moonwalker, and I'm going to die. I am going to die. I'm going to die hard. With a vengeance. Right. Right. That's it, I'm on the top level. No! Stay on the top level. Right. Come on, epic dodging skills. Epic dodging skills. Right, okay. Oh, we made it. We made it. Oh. Sweet, and that refills my life. Whee! Oh, okay, I see. Well, balls. I did see. Right, okay, right. Jump through like this. No! Son of a bitch. Whee! Balls. Whee! Whee! Ah! This is fucking jumping stuff. Whee! Balls! I to stand on it. Way! That's it. Spam that button of hatred. Oh, blimey. Balls to that. Balls! Epic balls! Ah! 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 That was close. Right. No! So, I've got to jump through the stream. There we go. Well, this lift is out of service. So far I've not died. It's a good sign. This game is cool! It's such a cool... It's got a kind of quirky charm to it. Oh! Indiana Jones and the bird ball of washing! Run, you birdie bastard! Aha! Because I used a save point, it glitched past me. Oh. Oh, that was scary stuff. Oh, floor 2. I don't actually know how many levels there are in this. I'm just going to play it till I get bored of it, to be honest. Jesus, this place is really gone. Oh my god, what is that thing? Well, that was close. They look like giant wall vaginas shooting pearls. Is that where pearls come from? Giant wall vaginas in a Crowtell. Could be. Oh, balls! I didn't mean to jump there. Ah! This game is slightly tougher than it looks. Poison. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry, birdie. I just got you mauled. No, I didn't. I got you killed. Right, anyway, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Shut up! Don't shut up. Balls! I need to pay attention. Right, so this puzzle I did first time, I'm going to fail and miserably this time. Right, run! Right, giant wall vaginas. Jump past them. Jump, yes. Right, okay. First time that time. So... Right, so I think the trick with this is to get on the water and just float across. Easy as that, except last time. Look at all this washing! I mean, he's a crow, he doesn't really have... He has wings, but they're not... Oh, what's wrong with your room? Let's save it quickly. My dodgy signature. Not that mine's much better. Brr, it's so cold. My toilet water froze. Well, if I shoot my load at it again? No? Oh. I'm not actually fixing the problems of these paying customers. Oh. 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 No, either I have a skeleton staying in my hotel, or I have a corpse. Now that is something that hotel inspectors definitely are not going to see. Health and safety will go batshit crazy, but... Oh, skeleton, how long this has been here? What? I checked in this morning. How rude. I have never seen such unprofessional behaviour. Boss fight. Boss fight. Boss fight. Epic boss fight of... Well, balls, this is... Oh my god. Did anyone know I fail? I'm rubbish at boss fights. Well, that's me dead. I need to chip this life down. Oh man. I'm seriously lost for words for that. It's hard because I'm having to use the arrow keys and Z and X to play this. If I was using a controller, which I have tried to use a controller for this. Right, okay, so I'm going to have to learn the boss mechanics and remember the buttons at the same time. Oh, balls. Royally failing. Whee! Right, okay. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Oh, shit bags. That boss is... I mean, I'm blaming the controls, but it's just me that sucks, really. Right, okay. We're going to beat you. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I wish I could use a controller, I really do. Oh, balls in hell! Okay, I did better that time. Still not good enough though. I don't think actually a controller would make a blind bit of difference here. I think I just suck royally. I think that's the problem. Tactics are he does that. No, shit and balls and mother of chicken nuggets. Ugh. This is the first boss. Look, skull tits. Oh man. Seriously, why can't I use a controller? It'd be so much easier. I suppose that's the point. Mind. This is just so awkward. Oh, balls! This is just ridiculous. Drink some tea. It's just so... The controls are just so better that time. Not talking helps. Not talking helps. I'm just going to be patient about it. And the next time you see me, we'll be on the other side of this boss bloody fight. I'm not going to waste your time watching me fail all this time. Yes! Yes! Mother! Oh, God. Oh, I swear to God, that was worse than the Dark Souls bosses. Holy mother of God. Oh, man, that... I was down to the last... You saw it, I was down to the last heart on that one. Too epic to lose. Oh my God. Right. Right. Oh. Okay, I need to calm my tits. Because that has stressed me out no end. Oh. I'm willing to play more of this game. I'm enjoying this game a lot. Now I've got to the safe point. If you want to see me play some more of this game, please let me know in the comments below. But for now, I'm going to take a breather. Because, oh my God, that was so stressful. Yeah, I'm going to go calm down. I'm going to go make another cup of tea. That'll help. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like it. And also subscribe to my channel for new videos Monday to Friday. And I'll see you again soon.
Through other people's things, I see.
Oh, hi!
Like an animal.
Are you a floating eyeball?
It seems you
Jackson, Jack,
It's
it's Sam!
I
It's Sam! He's come to the... Wait.
I am rather disappointed.
I didn't realise you could talk, Sam.
Your mother was
I could
a disgusting,
projecting.
savage